Welcome back to the GLAC studio. This is Gomati Sevasankaran. Here is a short intro into what exactly is post-production when it comes to oil paintings such as this. So you already know that these paintings are completely done and even the puja ceremonies have been conducted. So what next? What is missing? For the first thing, there are about 100 or 130 hours of video recording that was done. So all these paintings were recorded when they were painted. The full recording was done in the tutorial form. So those recordings will have to be edited. So that is one of it. We are about 80% done with the editing of these videos, and they are also parallel getting uploaded into links such as YouTube and Udemy. So that's being done. Most of this editing is handled by my editing consultant Srividya Motilal. She handles it, but I also do a few of the editings myself. Then once the editing is done, of course, uploading and also maintaining the link and making sure that these videos are available as a package, that is to be taken care of. SEO has to be taken care of behind the scenes. Aside from that, we also work on getting these links created for prints, and I think you already saw some prints that were made by me at my home. That is for local sales here, but when it comes to releasing this internationally, we need the help of a printing partner. So our web consultant Vittel is taking care of connecting our website with Gelato, which will be our printing partner, to make sure that these pictures are available to you in your country in the print format. So that's one more thing. Aside from that, we also are working on the marketing. Our marketing consultant is Ramya Mohan, and she has been helping already with the research work, and she's helped for the blog section, the ceremony, how it's conducted and such, and the puja related links marketing she's done. And once these links are getting ready, the tutorial links and also the print links are getting ready, she will support again with that. So that is there. So these are all mostly post-production activities. Aside from that, there's also one more important thing with respect to post-production, which is getting these pictures ready for the exhibition that is coming up in March, which means, we need to have these product codes that are there in the website to be written here, and all the details written here behind. And also we'll have to have some nails put in the sides so that we can have a twine sort of that will help hang this on an exhibition wall. So that has to be done. And final thing will be to paint a varnish on all these pictures the moment everything is ready. And all this has to be done by the end of this month, that is end of February, so that in March we are ready to hand over the paintings. So all these things are taken care of together with my team. Aside from that, I'm also working on a painting, a large canvas painting. That is a private art commission. It's right behind the camera. It is, like I said, it's a private art commission, and it's not supposed to be shared until the customer is fully satisfied with the requirement and it's fully done. So 36 hours of work is already gone into that. Today I worked for 4 hours on that only. It looks okay. I think it will have 10 more hours of work at least to go before my customer says yes to it, I hope. So that's being done, and also planning on the upcoming projects. How will they go and which ones to work on first. So those things are still in discussion stage. Of course, there is art classes where the little ones, do a fantastic job. So they keep me busy as well on the classes. Even their paintings are coming up in the exhibition in March. So they have their own room where about 12 of their artworks are going to be exhibited. So we're also making sure that the kids are getting ready with the exhibition requirements. So that is happening. So overall, when it comes to a creative business startup like this, yes, it's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun. If you are thinking of something like this, or any creative startup for that matter, I would say get ready for a beautiful learning curve. That will be really fast. You just need to jump on it and go with it. So that's going to be there. Minimum 10 to 15 hours of work per day, and possibly no Saturdays and Sundays is something that you could expect. Lucky, I think I got lucky when I onboarded the right team members for the kind of activities that I was sure I wouldn't know, like for example web consultancy, or understanding about marketing and editing. These things aren't my forte, so I was very sure of getting help in some way or the other. So that's also something about a creative startup, that when you're running it in a business format, then you should be ready to also accept and understand your weaknesses and try to fit in the right resources that can help you along the line to do that. And I understand in the beginning, maybe you don't have the resources for it and such. There are some consultancies that help you pro bono in the beginning, at least for a few hours, so that you can get some kind of help free of cost, and then possibly get on to moving into consultancies that will help you on hourly basis or such. I think that is possibly a good idea. So that's all I wanted to share about the post-production as such, and also what really goes on behind the scenes of a creative startup. I hope it was an interesting one for you to munch in for this weekend. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.